In this video, I will show you how you can enter or exit recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the control center on your Samsung phone, then tap on the power icon. And from this power menu, just select power off. Now once you have completely powered off your Samsung phone, then just bring the charging cable of your Samsung phone and plug in one end of the charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. Just connect one end of the charger to your PC or to your laptop. Now after you connect one end of the charging cable to your laptop, after that just grab the other end of the charging cable, and as you plug in the charging cable to your Samsung phone, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. As you can see, I will place both of my fingers on the power button and the volume up button, and as I plug in the charging cable into my Samsung phone, I will press and hold both of these buttons. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release the power button and press and hold the volume up button until your Samsung phone enters into recovery mode, just like that. Just make sure you follow the steps exactly as I have done them. Plug in the charging cable, and as you plug in the charging cable, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And once the Samsung logo appears, just release the power button, but keep pressing and holding the volume up button until you enter into recovery mode. Now to navigate recovery mode, just press the volume down button to select any option from this list. Now to confirm any action which you want to do, just press the power button. Now once you're done using recovery mode, and if you want to exit recovery mode, just press the volume up or the volume down button and select Reboot System Now. Then press the power button to confirm Reboot System Now. Now after you do that, your Samsung phone will restart and it will exit recovery mode. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.